So in this video, I will teach you how to find Facebook friends on Instagram. So now go ahead and launch the Instagram application. So ensure that you are on your home feed to see the heart icon, which is located on the upper right corner of your screen. Tap on that icon. So now you will be directed to the notifications page. In this, you need to scroll all the way down to find the See All Suggestions text. Tap the See All Suggestions so that it will lead you to Discover People. So you may be acquainted with these accounts, that's why they are all in this list. So to find your Facebook friends on Instagram, all you need to do is tap on the sync button right beside the sync your profile info. So now go ahead and tap the sync button. And now this will appear on your screen, which you can see in that box is your Facebook account and your Instagram account. Tap on the sync name and photo button. Now refresh. From here, you may scroll until you find your friends from Facebook. And that is how you find your Facebook friends on Instagram. Thank you and have a great day.